Hello, I'm Lynn Connolly and I coordinate the apprenticeship scheme for Ceredigion County Council. I'm really pleased we're able to offer 6 apprenticeship opportunities this year, and we are looking for an apprentice assistant auditor, an apprentice youth worker, an apprentice road worker, as well as 3 business administration apprenticeships, and they will be based in our learning and development, corporate service support and carers unit teams. Now, apprentices bring us many benefits as an employer, from bringing us new ideas to helping us build a talented workforce for the future. However, here's my top 5 benefits for you as an apprentice. So number 1, you will learn valuable on-the-job skills. So you will learn by doing. Number 2, you will earn a wage. So rather than have to pay course fees towards the qualification, you will earn while you learn. Number 3, you'll have a fixed term contract of employment, so you'll be entitled to a range of benefits, and details of those are shown on each vacancy. Number 4, you'll gain an industry recognised qualification and you'll be given time away from your job to concentrate on working towards this. And finally, number 5, you will kickstart your career and open doors for yourself. So you will meet and work with many colleagues across the council, so this will make a valuable network of contacts for you. So here's a few things to bear in mind if you are thinking of applying. So because of COVID-19, many of us are working from home at the moment. So when you start your apprenticeship, you may well be working from home too, and then from council premises at some point in the future. So just bear in mind, it's really important that you have access to a good, reliable internet connection at home. You'll also be working with a training provider to complete your qualification. And for most of these roles, this will be done online, except for in the case of the apprentice road worker. So there's likely to be some face-to-face training, which will involve some travel at some point in the future. But please rest assured, all of this will be done in line with health and safety guidelines. If you join us as an apprentice, you will receive induction and support from myself, as well as from the team that you're based in. We've adapted our ways of working, so you will receive training and support online, and you will feel like part of the team even though you're based from home. And this year each team has completed a short video to give you some background about the apprentice role and their service. So take a look at the video, guys. There's also one to help you complete your application form. So take advantage of this and watch the videos, and you'll find those links included under each job description for each apprenticeship vacancy. So I really hope you're interested in applying for one of the opportunities. Who knows, it might lead you into your chosen career for the future. And I hope by the end of your apprenticeship, you may want to apply for further permanent vacancies within the council. So good luck with your application forms.